These are the members of our team. Ibrahim, Fizza, Maria, that's me, and Sahil. The rest of the members cannot attend the meeting right now because of some reasons. And these are the basic introduction. Like Ibrahim is good at leadership qualities. Like he was the one leading us throughout the thing, and bringing us together. And he has interest in wildlife and nature. Then it's Fizza. She's good at sketching, and she's a very good listener. So she even makes Ibrahim listen to us and makes everyone point put up. Then Sahil is good at communication, and I'm Maria.
Oh, which classes are you in?
I just finished my 10th grade right now.
And the others?
Even Fizza, Ibrahim and Sahil are just finished the 10th right now.
Okay.
Sure. So as I said before, we had a challenge to make a device to make traveling safer and comfortable. So this is the video we made.
I can't. So you might have to download this video before you can actually play, because
I did. It's not running.
or maybe you can play it separately if that's the need of the.
I don't have it. That's what
Oh, you don't have it. Okay.
I have.
I think the other video seems to be playing. Can you just check the other? There are two videos. One of them, yeah. Can you?
No, this is HTML anyway, so okay. No. Maybe if anyone else from your group can do that, team think tank.
Oh, you can explain. It's okay. Meanwhile, I'll try to fix if there is something. You can just explain what was it.
So basically, there was a scenario where there was a driver. He had one passenger in his backseat, and he was driving, and he had to pick up another passenger. And that passenger, she was all she had worn a mask, she had worn a scarf, and everything was. She was wearing gloves. But as soon as she tried entering the cab, the driver told her that the device, that the watch, is saying that, giving him an alert that she is infected with COVID-19 and she should take a test. So even if you really feel that you are protected, like you have no symptoms, yet sometimes you can catch COVID-19. So it's about that. So then they got alerted and then they moved on. So basically the video was like that. It was a scenario. I'll try to if I by the end of the presentation of this time, I'll try to show it. I'll try to share my screen with you and try to show it. Can you continue sharing the screen if it's possible, okay with you? So
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You can see my screen?
Yeah, I can. Then these are the reasons for choosing that solution, because it will enable people to travel by transport without the fear of catching virus, and it's also user friendly. It's a small watch, so it's portable and easy to wear, and it's affordable also. It's like a smart watch type of that kind of thing. That's what the idea was. So this is something that we just kind of like summed off in a way, according to our idea, that this must be the cost per band, and we have planned that if this kind of if this kind of watch is ever manufactured, maybe the government can provide the expenses, because I feel it can. Maybe, I don't know. It should. I don't know. I don't know. It should though. Sorry. Yeah. And reasons for accepting the solution, like why should people, consumers, customers, sorry. It's reliable and innovative product, and ensuring safety, and it is sponsored by government, so it's not even that expensive. It's affordable.
All right. Thank you so much for the
That was
presentation. And jury, now the forum is open for the discussion.
I'm
It was-
really sorry for those technical issues.
It's okay, relax. That's okay. This will always happen sometime or the other in your life. So it's good that you got this experience right now, that the team was not there, still you were able to come up at last minute and present it. So it's okay. Let's move ahead and see what our jury has to say about you all. Okay? Just relax, guys.
Oh, hello, ma'am.
That's Siddha, one of our members.
Wrong names like we have written, but ma'am, actually I'm out right now, and that's why I'm not being able to open my video. I'm really very sorry, but ma'am, I just wanted to tell you that I really enjoyed this experience with Mahindra, and now we got to know that what all can be brainstormed. Like for example, if we think directly, we are like, oh, this is impossible. But if we think deeply into that thing, like we take time, we give it our time, then some or the other solutions comes out. So we really like the idea and we enjoyed it, of course.
So this was a journey. This is what we were expecting. So wonderful.
And I would also like to thank Alekhya ma'am, if I pronounce her name right. But she was literally pushing us each and every time. So yeah, she was a great help. So I would like to thank her.
Okay, it's very good to hear that. So I just have one question. So you suggested that it's a watch is a device. Your
Yeah.
solution is a watch.
Yeah. Already
Okay.
work. App in a work. It could work.
It's an app in the watch. App in the watch. Okay. Very similar
App
to
in the-
Arogya Setu app.
Yeah. But you get it in a watch. You need the phone. Get it home. Something like that.
Okay. So could you able to do any prototype on it, or is it still in the thought process that you had?
We already made it, sir. It's like ready. I don't know why the link is not opening. We had finished making this prototype a month ago. So
Oh, you
I
did
don't.
an app as well?
Of course, sir. We have made a prototype. Like we
Tell
have.
us a bit about it, what all it does. Tell us so that we can try to visualize what
Sure.
it looks like.
So basically, it's now we cannot. Of course, we didn't have the exact product in our hand. So what we did is, we have, the smartwatch comes first. We had
Yes.
an idea of a glow band. We could use that glow band as a prototype, but then we thought that this may be the smartwatch. If we use that, it will be more better. So we used a smartwatch. We said that it is this can be produced further as a corona detector, like Maria said. So yeah, so we used a smartwatch, real smartwatch.
Okay. So one of the point that you need to look at is how many people would have a smartwatch. So the solution that you provide should be something which should be quite affordable, and it should be accessible by everyone, isn't it? Because Corona doesn't differentiate someone has a watch or does not have a watch. So
Sorry to interrupt, but so watch was not the main product. Like we didn't have anything, so we used watch as a product. Like, did you get my point?
okay,
So
now
suppose, how else can you implement your solution? Suppose you don't have the money to spend on a watch. What is your alternative? How else will you implement your solution?
Glow band. Like it's barely for 50 rupees a glow band. So we decided that if it go in future, if they make that glow band go pass through the laboratory and all, so in the glow band we can turn it into such a device which can detect fever or high temperatures. So that's a major symptom of COVID-19, right?
Sure. See, honestly, I'm not aware of what a glow band is. Can you tell a little bit so that I can understand what it is?
It's basically a band, sir.
Okay. Wristband.
You directly have to wear it, and it
Okay.
glows in dark. So what
Okay.
we had thought that it could beep or glow while a high temperature comes
Got it.
nearby.
Got it. Got it. Now I'm able to understand what you're telling. Yes. Good. So this is a glow band. Okay. Sure. So you're putting this chip on the glow band. Okay. Okay. So Tito, that's a low cost solution. They say this band costs less than 50 rupees.
Okay, that is good.
Okay. So that is good. Nice.
And what it do, it basically changes color if someone has high temperature.
They want to do that. Otherwise, it will just glow in the dark. But they want to have a glow band which will glow whenever the temperature is higher.
Oh, okay.
Good.
But I didn't understand the chip that they tried to put there. What would the chip do with that?
So I'm telling you, we changed a little bit. I told you that it will beep. I don't know why the beep sound is not coming in the video. We had put a beep sound in the video. So instead of glowing, what actually a glow band does in the dark, we decided that it would beep. That's why we didn't have it separately at the time. So we removed a phone SIM card and a chip.
So the idea is if the temperature is high, it will show both by glowing and also by beeping. Is it?
Okay.
Okay. Got the idea. Sure.
Right, guys.
So again, this is more like a marathon. It's not a sprint. So being there till you reach the end point is the most important part. So that way, actually, you both have won the marathon. So it's really good. So let's do this. And
Yes.
really,
Kinderspark.
great job. Great job.
Amazing guys, wonderful. We are so happy that even with all the odds you were able to present, and all the very best. We are really proud of you.